What's holding you down? I ain't like others.
These are the items which I will unbox today. So let's see the item first, then I will unbox them one by one. And this is the first item. Let me open it for you guys. This is ZHIYUN Smooth 4 gimbal. And the second item is V2 ring mount for the gimbal. And the third item is the box. It is the cover box for our mic. And these are the counterweights. I will explain about these items one by one as I will unbox them. So let's start with the first accessory, V2 ring mount. And this is how it looks like. This is basically a mount for the mic. You can attach this to a gimbal and attach mic to it to record a clear audio while shooting. And this is the cover box for a mic which I have already ordered, and it's on its way. This is to keep your mic safe from external damage. And the last but not the least are counterweights. This is to counterbalance the mobile when you use any external lenses with the mobile. And the final item is ZHIYUN Smooth 4 gimbal. Let me quickly open the box first, then we will see the gimbal. So this is the box, and this is the user guide, instruction manual, Android compatibility, and this is microfiber cloth. So let's open the box. Oops, I'm opening it from the wrong side. So this is the box of happiness. Wow, amazing. This is USB Type-C cable to charge the gimbal, and this is the tripod. This is a very useful tool. And this is our gimbal.